Batteries must be used regularly to extend their life. We recommend to discharge and recharge batteries every 20-30 cycles to balance the cells. This tutorial will show you how to start the reconditioning process of the batteries. In order to obtain a better result, start the procedure once the battery is already low. Firstly, connect the device to the mains voltage. Select AC 100,240 volts using the left selector. A red LED light turns on to confirm that the device is correctly connected and working properly. Choose battery charge on the central switch. The yellow LED light should start flashing. Now push the reconditioning button using a sharp object, for example a pencil. The orange LED light placed next to the reconditioning button turns on and stays on until the end of the operation. The reconditioning process takes approximately 24 hours.